You look so seductive, my love.
I'm so tired, I can't take it anymore.
Tired, but very interesting. Time to go home. I'm too tired.
Are you very tired today? You've worked so hard.
Tonight we'll have a baby, my love.
I have to tell my beloved husband. I have a surprise for you.
Oh, thank you, my love. You're amazing.
Help me! Help!
Is my wife all right? I'll be right there.
Your wife is fine. Please wait here for a moment.
May God bless you and your child.
It's okay. It's okay. Everything will be all right. Try to breathe evenly.
What happened, my love?